Hi guys, so today I'll be making a frontal wig, and this is the frontal wig. This is the frontal, and these are the bundles. One, two, three, 300 gram hair that I'm going to be making today. So this is my hair net. These are my hair, my scissors, and my pins. Okay, so this is the net on my dummy head, and I'll be positioning the frontal. Yeah, positioning the frontal so I can wig it neatly for you to see. If this is your first time of watching my channel, please kindly subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and stay glued to my channel with me. So this is it. This is it. This is where the main work is going to start, because at this point you will see that you will have to start sewing your 300 gram and bundles here. Make sure you sew it neatly. As you can see, I'm arranging it and placing it on the wig cap just to sew it neatly for my customer. So make sure you knot it very tight, because if you don't knot it tight, it will lose when your customer takes it home and start using it. So make sure you create very good knots that will make the wig last for a long time, and your customer will appreciate your handwork. So and sewing and making sure that your customer satisfaction is priority. At this point, I'm almost done, and as you can see, it's neatly knotted. This is the outcome of our glueless frontal. Do you like my handwork? Please kindly state in the comment section. Thank you.